In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss spigots, multi-edge spigot cycle. So, this example, we are using the blank size 100 by 100, thickness is 40 millimeter, and then tool diameter is 10 millimeter. So, we'll add the program between startup and end of program. So, select edit mode and then select milling. So, here the option is called multi-edge spigot. And then we have three options: rectangle, circular, and then multi-edge. So let's create a rectangle spigot first. And now we are going to use a simple spigot cycle. Select simple strategy. In the next video, we will see the complete option. Now the parameter almost looks same compared to the pocketing cycle. So RP is the retraction plane, add a 5 millimeter, and then you can use upcut or downcut, and then F is the feed rate for milling XY direction, say 1000 mm per minute. Then FZ is the plunging feed rate in Z direction. And then in coming to machining, you have three options. Single triangle is roughing, three triangles for finishing, and then chamfer. So first we'll do the roughing, and then X, Y, Z. So it will be X, Y is the center of the spigot, always 0, 0 now. In the complete option, you can select it's a corner or any corner you can select. So simple parameter, always center you need to mention, center of the spigot. So we are keeping as a X0, Y0. Then Z0 is the top surface, and then W1 and then WL1. So it's a W1 is the blank. So W1 is the blank. So we are using a blank size 100. So just adding 100, and then width also 100 mm 100. And then now this we need to mention the spigot size now here. Say for example, I'm going to remove all the side say 5 millimeter. Okay. So I will add say total is 100, so I will give 95, and then the width also 95. So I can add some corner radius also, say 5 millimeter, and then here is a depth. You can give the depth of cut, total depth. Say for example, say I want to remove minus 10 millimeter in absolute. Okay, and then this is depth of cut for each pass 1 millimeter. So if you want finishing allowance, you can finishing allowance. So you're not giving any finishing allowance, only roughing operation, and make it 0. So now the parameters are inputted. So here the key parameters, you need to mention the width of the blank, and then what is the spigot size you need to mention, and then remaining parameters will be similar to pocketing cycle, and then press accept, and then we'll go to the simulation now. So now you can see here, you can see the 3D view also. So it will be removing the material 5 millimeter around the place. So let me delete the toolpath. Okay, so this is called spigot milling. Now we'll do one thing. We will increase the length and width, say 90. Let's see the simulation, see the difference. So now it is removing 10 millimeter all the sides. You can see in top view also. So now 10 millimeter is removed. We'll do one thing. Again, we will reduce that value. Say for example, it will be 85 and then 85. Let's see the difference. See now you have a rest material in the corner. So you have to remember always the maximum maximum that cutter diameter you can give. Say for example the cutter diameter is 10, so I can reduce till 10 millimeter. Otherwise you have a rest material in the corners. Say for example here previously it was 90, so the width always equal to the cutter diameter. So it is now the width is more than the cutter diameter, so the material is was rest over there in the corners. So keep in mind always the spigot cycle, the material, the width should be always equal to diameter of the cutter maximum. So maximum we can give, I'm using 10 millimeter, so I can give, this is a total 100, so I can go up to 90 by 90. Otherwise you have a rest material in the corners. So in the next video we will see the complete parameters in the spigot cycle. Thank you for watching.